Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable the mono audio in your Android phone. At first you need to open your phone settings. Here enter connected devices and make sure that you are now connected to your headphones with your headphones. Now go back and scroll to the accessibility. Straight from here, scroll again to the audio section and find audio adjustment. This option can be named actually very different on each device, like for example hearing, audio, I don't know, many names for this one option. And here we've got mono audio, combined channels when playing audio. Enable that by tapping this or disable that by tapping this again. That's how it works. Bye!